everyone! Looking for durable screwdrivers for your projects? Meron yan dito sa KDG Tools. First of all, ano nga ba ang screwdrivers?
A screwdriver is a tool, manual or powered, used for turning screws. Here's our available screwdriver types and brands. Starting with Shinmying brand from Korea. One of our top brands, SWAK, has variety of screwdrivers as well. Trusted since 1998, Sentool is your top choice for screwdrivers. Tried and tested brand since 1950s, Lancer is also available. Looking for ball grip screwdrivers? We have the famous Vessel brand. Another for ball grip screwdriver, Edison from Korea.
Here at KDG Tools, we have different brands of screwdrivers that provide high quality. Always remember to choose tools that will last to save time and money. Again, I'm Pauline from KDG Tools and Equipment. See you in our next video!